Hello and welcome back to my AI tutorial channel. Today, I'm excited to demonstrate how you can create 4 incredible songs using a free AI song and music generator. Although this tool is still in beta, it's already capable of generating music, vocals, lyrics, and even videos with just a single click. The best part is that it offers a variety of music genres, including pop, hip-hop, cafe, and rock. Make sure to check the video description for the URL. Let's jump right in and begin. Go to the TrySunga website and click the TrySunga app now button to open the AI song generator page. If you have your own lyrics or if you want to use chatgpt to create your song lyrics, just type your prompt in the prompt bar and click the generate button to start generating your song lyrics. After you get the best lyrics, click Render to start generating your song. Here are the results. You can download the video and audio files by clicking the Download button.
I want to see the world. I want to get on a plane. I want to go to Paris. I want to go to Spain. I want to go to Italy.
Now let's try a hip-hop song using an AI singer. The song title is I'm the Best Roblox Player.
I never thought I'd find a love song that could make me feel this way. Love songs never made me feel like this before. I can't get
Next, let's create a love song with relaxing cafe-style music.
Once there was a love so strong that it could never be wrong. But then one day it all went wrong, and now that love is gone, we shared each other's heart and soul, and now we're living in a world without. All we have are memories of what once was, and a sad love song. We loved each other deeply, but now we're forced to be apart.
See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.